In this video, we'll show you how to install HYDRIEA RO system. These are the tools you need for installation. Put the RO membrane into the membrane housing. Follow the directions shown in the video. All the fittings we use are quick connect. To connect, push the loop all the way down into the collet. Pull the tube to check if it has been securely locked by the collet. Insert the locking clip between the collet and the fitting. Make sure you hear a click sound. To remove, take off the locking clip. Hold down the collet and pull out the tube. Cut the tube with a razor blade against a flat surface. Your cut must be straight or your tubing may leak. Put the tank vertically. If not enough space, you can put it horizontally. Secure enough space for all the components. Turn off the cold water supply. Switch off the faucet. Choose a feed water adapter according to your plumbing size. There are 3 8" and ½ options. Disconnect current faucet tube from feed water valve. Screw the chosen adapter onto the feed water valve. Screw the ball valve onto the adapter. Screw the current faucet tube back on. Drill a ½ hole on the sink surface where you want to install the RO faucet. You can also use an existing hole like this video. Put the base plate, the O-ring, the metal washer, the rubber washer, the lock washer, and the hex nut. Then use the adjustable wrench to screw them to the top until secured. Insert the RO faucet stem through the sleeve and the compression nut, then screw the fix. Drill a 1/4" hole in the horizontal section on the drain pipe. Only drill through one side of the pipe. Stick the foam gasket onto the clamp. Insert the 1/4" drill bit to help align the hole on the clamp and the pipe. Secure the drain clamp using the hex nuts and screws. Screw the housings onto the bracket in correct order. Make sure there is one O-ring on the inner side of the housing groove. Wrap 4 to 6 rounds of Teflon tape and attach tank valve onto the tank. Make sure you know the length of each connection tubing. Cut them into desired length and attach them to the system like shown in the video. Connect the first stage housing to the feed water ball valve. Don't forget to secure it with the locking clip. Connect the flow restrictor to the drain clamp. Secure it with the locking clip. Connect the PAC filter to the tank valve. Secure it with the locking clip. Connect the alkaline filter to the RO faucet. Insert the tube through the sleeve and the compression nut, then screw to fix. Close the tank valve. Switch open the feed water valve and bowl valve. Turn on the RO faucet and wait for 10 minutes for water to start dripping. Let the water flow for 5 minutes, then turn off the faucet. Open the tank valve and let the tank fill completely. It will take 2 to 3 hours to fill up the tank. The flow of water will stop when the tank is filled. When the tank is full, open the RO faucet to drain the tank water. Once the flow from the faucet slows to a trickle, close the faucet and let the tank to fill again. You should empty 2 more tanks of water to flush your system and filters. This will take 4 to 6 hours. Check for leaks during the process. Fill the tank for the last time. Now you are ready to have the purest and best tasting water. If you have more questions, you can find our contact information in the user manual or on our website. We'd be happy to help.